How to make circle typography in Illustrator. My channel name is 1 to 3 Graphics. Typography is the art of shaping words into visuals, and circle typography brings those visuals to life with dynamic movement and endless creativity. Here is the sentence I have chosen. If life was easy, we'd all be bored. Take a few copies of this sentence by pressing Ctrl D. Separate all the words in the sentence and put them in order. Now increase their size. Take with a circular stroke. Before we start our work further, we have to choose a font. Here I have taken different fonts which are absolutely free.
Free commercial use.
And
Free personal use.
Now I am showing you the names of these fonts. Please take note of them. They are very easy to download. They are absolutely free. They will be very useful for you. They are very beautiful fonts. Luckiest Guy. Roboto. Precis vi9 Schatten. Master of Break. I have already arranged the words inside the circle. Now I will show you where we will set the words and what order they will be. Here I'm going to use the 4 fonts I just showed you earlier, and their sizes will be small and large depending on the design, and I'll make some changes to them later on. You'll see how. Within the design we will be making changes. The fonts vary in size, with some being bold and prominent, while others are smaller and more delicate, creating a dynamic visual contrast. The entire design is rendered in black on a pristine white background, emphasizing the interplay of form and negative space. This contrast not only highlights the individuality of each typeface but also unifies them into a cohesive whole, demonstrating the power of typography in visual art. The circle serves as a perfect frame, guiding the viewer's eye seamlessly through the typographic elements, each contributing to the overall harmony and balance of the design. Create outlines for all fonts so we can easily use them as objects. For your convenience, I am showing each tab step by step so that you can understand. First, we're going to select the middle sentence. So we're going to take a rectangular shape behind it, that we're going to convert to a stroke. Group it, and change its shape to a wave. We'll set ... Now see, it looks much better. How we changed this shape, let me tell you. First we will go to the effect. There is the warp option. After selecting it, there are many options in front of you, in which we will click on Rise. Such a shape will be formed in front of us. It looks much better. Now let's move on to the word was. First we will select a small circle for it. Color the word was white and place it on top of it. Through the minus front we will get the empty black part that we will use in our design. In the same way, we will gradually arrange the words in our designs, make them crooked, move them up, down, make them small and big, so that our design is ready as we want. At the bottom of the circle is the word board. We will separate it and create a shape with the letter D using the pen tool. You must know how to use the pen tool because it is a basic tool for Illustrator. Watch my other videos to see how to use it and practice it yourself. We can create shapes for everyone. D and this shape will connect through the Unite we'll find in the Pathfinder. But still we need one more tool which we call Smooth tool, by which we will smooth this shape. You see how beautiful it looks now. With our little effort, beauty can be created in the design. You can also use it and make different shapes and make your design beautiful. We created a sentence in the middle. You can see a lot of empty space. Now we will fill this space using the pen tool. Draw a line with the help of the pen tool, and after expanding it, take some copies of it and group them and set it according to its position, then take a copy of it. The empty part of the right side will also be filled. It is also a part of typography that if you see a part as empty, we can fill it with the help of different tools so that the design does not look empty to us. Now we're going to change the shape of the word easy. So we're going to free distort and change the shape of the word, but we don't like the shape here. So we're going to use the warp tool and change the shape of the word. Typography takes a lot of your time and then something good comes out, so take your time and do it slowly. Now we will cut this word into pieces and we will give Y a little curve according to the circle, and we will also set the rest of the letters according to the design and group them. Now whatever part of the design is going outside the circle, we will erase it with the help of eraser tool so that the design is completely in the form of a circle. Let's get your design ready. Group it. Change its color. We have used a single color here, so it is easy for us to change it. We're going to take a copy of this design and we're going to make it black so it's clear to us below. Then we're going to go into the path and enlarge it and expand it. On the background that we have copied, we will replace the black color in it to fill the empty parts and make them knit. Will do, and we'll also make its color white. Now, since we have to change a little more inside the design to make it look more beautiful, we will try a little more. There are many ways to do typography. This is one of them. Learn it too. Your design is ready, but you still see a lot of empty space in it. We will fill it now. For this, we will take a thin line, make it black, and make many copies of it. Group them and place them on top of the circle. I am using black color so that you can see later we will make it one color for the whole design. You know that to make a copy of any object we press and hold the Alt button, and after that we keep pressing the Ctrl D. So many copies are made. Group these lines and move them to the bottom layer and place your design on top. Lock the design layer and with the circles and lines. Now we have changed the color of the lines to red. We will now work further by increasing the thickness of the circle and expanding it, then grouping the circles and lines using the Shape Builder tool. Delete all the lines outside the circle and collect and group the lines inside the circle and delete the extra parts. A circle of red color lines is created. Now we will unlock our design layer that we locked, and below the design we made a copy of the white cube in the red circle below. Group and go to Pathfinder and click on Divide and delete all the white part and unite the red part. Now we will group these lines in our main design and make it one color. So now this design is completely ready. We will use Photoshop for its presentation. If you like my video, then share it with your friends and also like it. This design is looking very beautiful on t-shirt also. We can change many colors and make a very good presentation. Thank you very much for watching my video.